semolina flour, approximately half a cup, or Rava or Sooji. And now I'm going to add few pinch of baking soda, not too much, and then I'm going to add salt. And here I'm adding salt according to your taste. And now mix it, all the dry flours. And this time I'm going to add some curd, maybe 1/3 cup, 1/3 cup of curd. Now mix all together. Okay, in this time I'm going to add some veggies in it, and here I'm taking tomato, coriander leaves, grated carrot, and here onion, and here green beans, and this is paneer or cottage cheese. Now I'm going to add into my batter. First I'm adding carrot, and then onion, and then green coriander, some tomato, and here I'm adding, this is green beans, and now I'm adding, this is cottage cheese. Just break it like this, and then mix all together. And it's so healthy and so yummy breakfast. If you never tried this, I think you need to try this at your home. In this time I'm adding some water into the batter. Okay, now I'm going to add some water, not too much, and mix it. I think we need little more water. Okay, 1/4 cup water approximately. Yes, this is perfect batter. In this time you can add any spice powder in this, but I'm not going to add some green chilies or chili powder in this, but I'm not going to add. Now I'm going to check the salt. This is perfect. Okay, now I'm going to make the pancake, spicy pancake. Now I'm going to make the pancake. Let's make it.